Hey my dudes, and yeah, basically today what I'm going to be doing is a simple cooking video with Omar Vlogs, or as they like to call me, Omar Ramsey or Gordon Ramsay. He is a professional golf player, and yeah, basically I'm a professional chef, as you can see. Beautiful eggs. This one actually came in two. They're twins, and yeah, so like one egg came with two of them, two circles, and these are just other ones. So yeah, basically after that, what I like to do, go into here. I don't do this that much, but it's hard to cook. I like to put a little bit of my homemade. After that, what I do, I bring out like my extra scramble, so I'm like, but when I'm looking at like through the camera, so I can't actually see what it looks. Look how nice that looks. Sizzle. Look at that. Oh my god. It looks weird right now, but trust me, it looks good. By the way, I'll show you like the copper thing. Supposedly, it is not stick. Boy, so yeah, basically, my dudes, this is quality content right here. Quality. Basically, yeah. After this, what you have to do, basically, you have to put a little bit lower. You know what I'm saying? For some here. Okay, after that, what you do is you come over here, get your plato. It's actually 10:41 while I'm recording this. Just woke up too, like at 10 actually, yeah. Watched a video, and yeah. So yeah, I'm now making my food. And you know what I'm saying? It's spring break, so you know what I'm saying? The boy gotta cook for himself. Okay, you just have to crack the eggs in there, and then pop the yellow thing. Unless you like the yellow thing, then you leave it there. But pop the yellow thing, right? And once you pop it, let me actually fluff in. Oh, I'm not supposed to do that, but who cares? So after you do that, my dudes, you get this, and you skirt, you skirt, right? Did you do that? Skirt. You know what I'm saying? What's in? Oh, rip. Oh, my dudes. Oh no. Alright, my dudes, yeah. And then after you do that, basically, you put that over there. You don't need it. And yeah, basically, you turn it off. Instead of using it that, you just throw that in there, you know what I'm saying? And then after you do that, oh, I already turned it off. You turn it off, right? So it could, like, do not put it into the dishwasher yet, because it will damage the pan surface, right? So unless you want to damage the surface of the beautiful pan, I would not recommend putting it into the water yet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, turn it off. Look at this sizzle.
Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't do no plan, baby, you did. Dexter. Oh, wait. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't do no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans. And she telling all her friends, I might put them on the ground. Hey, baby girl, what you doing with your man?
So yeah, my dudes, basically that is how to cook an egg, or how to make the best breakfast you can with OMAR Vlog. Actually, wait. To complete the perfect breakfast. Most of you guys know what the choco meal is, right? Most of you guys know what choco meal is. So yeah, basically, let me get the milk real quick. Most of you guys know what choco meal is. Most of you guys watching this don't know what choco meal is, if you know. So yeah, basically, what you have to do, you get your milk, right? Hard to do. You throw some, not too much, because fluff. It's not too much. So yeah, with the thing is, it is gonna foam all the way up. So yeah, wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. Someone's actually gonna. My brother's gonna get here, so I'm gonna want some. Let me put a little more. So yeah, basically, once you get like this amount, or like if you're by yourself, you can get here. Now I'm saying, once you get there. By the way, I would actually recommend making your eggs like this. You know, it's actually probably better to make them like this. They're actually really good. So yeah, once you do that, right, you come over here, pause. You get your spoon. You open this up. I would recommend one for tablespoons. Oh wait, 1.5. Oh, fluff them in there. After you put your spoon, put that back there. Right after that, my dudes. So yeah, it should look like so. It should be like a little part floating. Let me actually go into my ice real quick. I wasn't just gonna pull out some diamonds, but I like if it was like rice comes down, he'll like get ice, and then he will get like the freaking diamonds or something. Yeah, I don't have that money. So yeah, basically, after you do that, my dudes. Wait. Alright, my dudes. So yeah, I would say around 1. Oh my god, 3. That looks so sus. Around 3. Okay, let me just clean this. It looks too suspect. Oh, whatever. Alright, so yeah, I would recommend applying 3 ice cubes. It does not look that good at the moment. So yeah, after that, you put it in the blender, close it tight, make sure it's connected, and click ice crush, and then yeah. After you don't hear it anymore, like, you have to click on blend. I don't know if you see it there. Wait, click blend, right? After you click blend, that will basically soften your drink. So basically now you go into your fancy cup collection. Oh, I just realized, don't forget to put your milk back. Oh, it's gonna get like warm. And, like, you know what I'm saying? And also don't forget to put your ice back, or you'll see your ice will melt. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that to happen. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, basically after you do that, right? You open the top. See, now it looks a little bit better. You guys could smell that, right? Oh, it smells good. Most of you guys already know how this tastes like, but yeah. So and then you. Enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the freaking like button, my dudes. So yeah, my dudes, hopefully you did enjoy. And yeah, if you do like this cooking videos, you know, just smash the like button and tell me, hit me up on Instagram, or like put it in the comments. You know, if you do want to see more of these cooking videos, and if you do want to see more of these cooking videos, tell me, what do you want me to cook? You know what I'm saying? So hopefully hopefully you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and that is it for OMAR VLOGZ. No, OMAR RAMSEY.